From the Mementos of English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. April 25th. One in Life and Death. Father Robert Anderton and Father W. Marsden, 1586. The Judge Anderton in the Isle of Wight, though he consented to the prisoners being found guilty on high treason, would not pronounce sentence of death without the authority of the Queen, saying that this was her wish in the case of seminarists. On March 10, 1586, they were therefore sent to the Marshalsea, London, and were examined by two of the Privy Council, who soon managed to extract treasonable matter from them. They were asked if they would keep the promise they had made never to try to persuade anybody in the matter of religion. They denied ever having made such a promise, and Anderton said that he regarded everyone outside the unity of the Church of Rome in danger of damnation. He would be bound to endeavor to reclaim them. And Marsden affirmed that to persuade the people of the truth of Catholicism was the one subject for which he had come to the country. The Queen, therefore, the proclamation said, could only let the law take its course. They were sent back to the island, and there, on some high ground in sight of the moaning sea, the scaffold was erected, and refusing for the last time pardon as the price of apostasy, they together won their crown, April 25th, 1586.